up here I feel actually great. I'm exhausted, I'm completely drained, but I think I feel great because I think this is by far the hardest thing I have done in my life.
What I loved most is where we get to interrupt people's mindset and their inner voice, which tells them, I can't do this. And that's just a past-based reference because they've not done that before. They think that this is only doable by somebody they perceive as athletic, as fit, as this. What I love is we make any day and everyday people, whatever size, shape, level of fitness, age, do this. Whether you're a 7-year-old kid or whether you're somebody in your 70s, you can get to take on our adventure. And what's best is you discover that the only limitations you ever had were all created in your mind. You know, FITBANKER is way more than the 90-day health transformation challenges, and we realized very early on that if we're to grow and if we're to fulfill on our mission to disappear lifestyle disease through education, not medication, and transform 1 billion lives, that game will only be possible if we empower leaders, and our treks are about that.
It's a real challenge, you know, and I feel, a sense of accomplishment. Really good.
One of the great things I love about our residential treks is that it doesn't matter who you are, where you're from in terms of title, society. When we come to a mountain, when it comes to camping, all those titles drop, and ultimately we're just amazing human beings that are here to connect.
When you get to the top of any of these peaks that we've done 3 already, it's just the most amazing feeling.
Every direction is beautiful. Everywhere you look is just nature.
The selection and design of our treks is such that if you want to do a shorter version, that option is also going to be there, or you could do the whole trek. And no one is ever too slow because I'm the slowest. You know, I go at the pace of the slowest, and I'm really committed to and empowering the person right at the back. Why? Because I've been exactly there. I know what it's like, and the heaviest load you could carry up a mountain is the judgment of others' judgment of you. And we have a zero judgment policy, so everyone's welcome, and I'm with you right at the back. So group's doing really great. We're already at our 3rd peak, and we've had a kid as young as 7 do up to the 1st peak, and now we're going on. So the group's doing really well. Guys, how's it going for everyone? After a long day's trek, we've come back. We might be achy, we might be sore, we might be cold, or we might still feel even more energized and refreshed, and we get together for mealtime. At times, sometimes people volunteer to cook, so we bring all the ingredients, and you find this big team effort happening in the kitchen, and a beautiful meal comes out of that team effort and leaders stepping up to prepare a hot meal for everyone. Or we order takeaway, and even then it's beautiful. We gather, we sit together, we eat, we share stories from the day.
It's really rewarding that you can share with everybody.
Well, I mean, just look up here, it's an absolutely beautiful day, and this view's just incredible. And this is South Wales. I'm from New South Wales, but this is Old South Wales, and it's just amazing.
Allow the body to be still.
We get to meditate together, and as we meditate, what we really get connected to is that, and we hear this from our participants, that it's been so long that I've just got to be quiet and listen to the stillness, because we're so caught up in that busy rat race life. Monday to Friday, we're just being driven on adrenaline and cortisol. But for the first time, these guys get to appreciate the outdoors. You hear the wind blowing, the trees brushing against each other. You hear the birds chirping, and it's beautiful to just get away from that urban clutter. And ultimately, the realization that I want people to get to is that we have one body, one life. It's one beautiful earth. And look at all this that we get to take in on the outdoors, and it's all a gift to us. Guys, you could easily be sat home here watching Netflix and chill, or you could join us over these weekends and you could come and enjoy the beautiful outdoors, the beautiful greenery of the trees and the hills and the mountains and the beautiful blue skies and the fresh air. We're really welcoming and would love anyone to join our FITBANKER family, whether you're a novice, you've never done this before, you're new to trekking like me, or you're somebody that's been doing this for years and you're an experienced professional. Your wealth of experience and knowledge would be a massive value add and contribution to people, or you could come and learn and discover and grow your own leadership for yourself. I invite you to interrupt your status quo, join the FITBANKER family, and let's enjoy and let's have some amazing fun during this one beautiful life.